Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and activate the plugin WP Lead Plus X. So it is very simple to install the plugin. So the first thing you need to do is go to your WordPress dashboard here and click on plugins, and then you see an add new button here. Click on that and go to upload plugin, and you see the place to upload a file. So click on choose file here and navigate to the plugin file that you have downloaded to your computer after you complete the purchase. So here I put my plugin file here. Make sure it is in .zip extension. Some browsers may extract your file, so you can see this zip file. So you may need to open it in a different browser. Maybe um, maybe you can try using Firefox or Chrome, then you can get the zip file. So click on that, click on open, or you can simply double click on the zip file and click on install now, and you need to wait for a while, and the file was uploaded, and I click on activate plugin here, and you can see that plugin activated, but you still have to activate the license on your site. So I click on the option on the left menu here, WP Lead Plus X, and sure enough you have purchased this through PayPal. So click on via PayPal, and here you enter your PayPal email or the email you enter when you made the purchase. So I will enter my email here, and this is where you enter the transaction ID, which you can find in your email after making the purchase. PayPal will send to you an email for the confirmation of the purchase, and in the email you will see the transaction ID. So I'm going to enter the details here, and click on activate license, and sure enough you see activation successful notice here. If you don't see this message, just send me an email and I will assist you. So the plugin is now activated. The last thing you need to do is to import the templates that come with the plugin. So click on templates here, click on load templates, and you see that 9 templates were imported, and now you can go ahead and start creating your uh, landing page or squeeze page. So that is how you can install and activate the license of WP Lead Plus X on your website. If you have any question, just please let me know.